What's going on, guys? 𝗠cie𝗁𝗶ጽ here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a camera that you can use indoor that works on your 5G or 2.4 gigahertz network, so you can keep an eye on what's going on indoors. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it. All right, so once you get everything out of the box, you're going to get a few things. You have your user manual, of course. You're going to get your camera. This is going to be the way the camera looks. It has this it is corded, so it's going to have this USB cable attached to it. You're going to get a power brick. This gives you power. You also get a mounting bracket with some mounting screws. So this way, if you need to mount this, say for instance on the ceiling, you can do that. You just place this in, turn it, and once you have that mounted, the mounting bracket screwed in, you'll be able to mount this upside down or however you want to mount the camera. This is going to be a great camera that you can place just about anywhere on your desk, on a corner, on the table. So that way you can have a good view and keep an eye on what's going on in your environment. Now, this camera works on either your 2G or your 5G network, so you won't have a problem getting connected to Wi-Fi. It's going to be very high resolution. You're going to get a 2K resolution on this camera, so it's going to be nice and clear, and you'll be able to see whether it's day or night. The features on the camera itself has a nice pan and tilt. It would actually rotate 360 degrees, so it'll rotate all the way around. And within the software of the camera itself, it uses AI to detect what's going on. So you can actually have it track an objects, and that way it lets anyone know, or especially if it's an intruder, that you're being watched. It also features a built-in speaker, so this way you can hear and you can communicate with another person on the other end. Maybe you're needing to give some instructions to someone that's in your home. Maybe they're babysitting for you. You can just communicate whatever you need to right over the camera. Now, this allows you to have 24-hour loop recording. This way you can have access to whatever's going on at any time. You can record on a memory card up to 128 gigs. You do get cloud storage. You have a 7-day trial on there, so if you do want to pay for that, you can have that option. It's very easy to set up as well. You just download the app, then you would plug in your camera, connect it to Wi-Fi, and you're all set and ready to go. This is going to be a great indoor security camera. This way you can keep an eye on your office, your home, your pets, your kids. And not only do you have the option of watching, but you also can share with multiple users. So you can see how this can be a great camera to use to keep an eye on what's going on. Well, guys, this is going to be the MubView indoor dual band Wi-Fi camera. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm 𝗠cie𝗁𝗶ጽ with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.